Namaste, everybody. Welcome back. Hope you are having a great evening and wishing you all a very, very happy 2021. We are here to do a quick pick a card yes or no reading. These are general readings, they may or may not resonate with you. Please take whatever resonates and leave the rest. If you like the content that I post or if you resonate with my readings, please like, share, and subscribe. It is a beautiful way of supporting free tarot readings on YouTube. So it would be wonderful if you subscribe to my channel. The timestamps are given in the description box below. My personal details are given in the description box below. So if any one of you wants to reach out to me, you can find my details there. Now, these are the piles. Pile 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Take your time, use your intuition, and pick the card that draws you the most. I would suggest you don't use your sight as much as your intuition. Probably just close your eyes, breathe, inhale, exhale, have your question in your mind, open your eyes, and whichever pile draws to you the most, just go with that. Again, pile 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So let's keep this to one side and start with pile 1. Okay. Storm warning. Eight of Swords, the Lovers. So maybe you guys are asking about a relationship. You are probably, you have found your soulmate, or you feel that you found your soulmate. There is a very strong attraction that you feel for this person, whoever you are asking about. There is a very strong attraction you feel. There is a magnetic connection and bond. You are drawn to them. Everything about this feels so right. You feel very passionately about them. There is an emotional attachment. There is an attraction. All of that is so strong. But still there seems to be something which doesn't seem to be right. Maybe you guys have been having a lot of arguments or misunderstandings, communication gaps, disagreements of late. And it could also be because of you. Maybe, you have a lot of limiting beliefs about your own self. Probably you feel helpless and powerless in situations. You're not able to put your thoughts and feelings across clearly to your partner, or that you feel that they are too good for you or you're not good enough for them. And probably these are the reasons, if there are any misunderstandings going on between the two of you. The cards are saying, or what I can see here is, there is a storm that is arising. So Spirit is saying there is a storm warning coming your way. So if you want to stabilize this, or if you want to control this before the storm arrives, then just open this blindfold, look at things, actually see them, not just just think, but try to actually see the situation. What is going on? What actually is the issue? Don't be in your head so much. Don't overthink so much, and don't shame yourself or beat yourself up or feel that you're not good enough. Don't be in that limiting belief kind of a mode. Open that blindfold. See that you can actually easily come out of this fence, this sword fence. This crow can just fly if only he removes this blindfold. You're probably in a similar situation. So if it is a relationship situation, or even if it is something else that you're asking about, if it is just a choice that you want to make between two different people, or maybe a job, you don't know which offer to take, whatever the case may be, your answer is a no. Pile who chose the Clear quartz. Magician in the mirror. So you guys know what you want. You are very grounded, you're very rooted, you're very sure of yourself. You have a strong balance within you. Uh, you're not confused about anything, you're clear. And you know that there are infinite possibilities available for you. You're aware of it. You're great manifestors. You can manifest what you want in your life. You've been working on this for a while. Queen of Pentacles. Maybe you're asking about a business opportunity. Maybe you're asking about your finances. Maybe you want to grow your business and you're thinking about that. Maybe it's about an investment that you want to make, or it is about uh, your own self love, how you want to pamper yourself, how you want to um, grow and feel comfortable in your own skin. It could very much be a relationship. Maybe you're asking about a love relationship. Um, if it is a relationship, then whoever you're asking about, he or she is an equal match for you. You have found someone who is good for you in every way possible. You just stick, you just click, you just get each other, and it's a very heartfelt connection. There is a lot of love flowing between the two of you, and it just feels perfect. If it is about a business that you are inquiring about, maybe you want to get into partnership with somebody because you want to expand your business. So you want to invest in a business or with someone who will be able to help you to expand this business. If that's the case, you have found someone who is really good at what they do, and um, they will be a good business partner for you. So whether it's a business or whether it's a love relationship that you're asking about, your answer is a yes. People who chose this stone here. The garden and the gate. Okay. You people are already achievers. You have achieved a lot already. You're very comfortably placed. You have comfort, convenience, luxury all at your disposal. But you are not satisfied with just that. You want more. You want to grow. You want to expand. You are eyeing newer horizons, new experiences, and you want to go beyond what you have achieved. Four of Wands. Maybe you're asking about uh, a wedding, a marriage. It could be your own, it could be your friends. Maybe you are going to get married uh, in the next few months, and probably you would have to leave your hometown and go elsewhere after your marriage, and maybe you're thinking about it, you're contemplating about that. Maybe you wonder if it'll be a good move or if there will be enough joy and stability in your married life. Eight of Pentacles. Maybe some of you are asking about your career, your job. You want to explore and grow your skill, your craftsmanship. You want to, probably for some of you, you want to travel to improve and learn more about your skill, your practices, or any craft that you are in. You want to really focus on your skill, your talent, your growth at this moment, and you are willing to travel for that. So maybe you're asking about that. Whatever be your question, you need to step out of your comfort zone right now in order to achieve whatever that you want to achieve, whether it's growth, career wise, or in your business, or in your art or craft or skill that you want to grow. You have to step out of this gate, step out, get out of your comfort zone and go out and get there. But whatever your question is, your answer is a yes. people who chose this concept. Seventh chakra, Archangel Uriel. Maybe you're asking about spirituality. Maybe you are the spiritual lot. Maybe you want to know how can you grow spiritually, or uh, what can you do to expedite your spiritual growth, or your connection with spirit, your intuition. You guys are already very, very connected with the cosmos, with the universal energy. You are someone who gets a lot of messages, a lot of intuitive hits, a lot of downloads from spirit. You're very connected. King of Swords, you're after the truth. You are the seekers of truth, of knowledge. You want to know the truth of life. You are interested in the higher philosophies, in religion. You want to expand your knowledge. Maybe for a few of you, you are going through a transformation, a transition. You are you're being prepared for another phase in your spiritual path. You're all of that which doesn't serve you is being taken away from you so you can be birthed anew. So you are able to connect effortlessly and go deeper into your spiritual path and your realization. But the answer to your question at this moment is a no, because you're going through this transformation. Once you are over this transformation and you stabilize in your life and you feel a lot more stable, a lot more grounded, then your answer will become a yes. But for now, it's a no. For people who chose this small mother, deceit. Whatever it is that you people are asking about, it could be career, it could be your business, it could be a relationship, it could be something connected to your family. But things in your environment is not as they look. Everything is not as it seems. You're not being told everything. Maybe some people are deceiving you. They are not giving you all the correct information. So whatever it is, there is a lot of deception in your environment. 10 of Wands, 2 of Wands. I feel you people were asking about your job, about your career. Maybe you want, you are looking at growth. Maybe you are looking at a promotion, or you want to change your job profile. Probably you want to take up more responsibilities so you are able to show your capabilities, your expertise in the field. Or maybe for some of you, you're already feeling overwhelmed. There's too much in your platter. And for the work that you do, probably you don't get paid as much, or maybe there is no recognition for the kind of work you do. And you know that you are really good and you're ambitious. You know you are good at what you do. You want to grow further. And maybe you're not getting recognized enough. Maybe it's in your mind to ask for a pay hike or a promotion. But like I said, people around you are not what they actually seem. So the answer for you right now is a no. So that's all I have for all of you. Guys, have a very, very happy new year. And if you like what I put up in my channel, then please do like, share, and subscribe. It's a beautiful way to promote free tarot reading and to give to free tarot reading. Bye bye. Happy New Year.